While Russia's ruble is buckling under sanctions, Bitcoin and other digital currencies are rising, stoking speculation that their use could help Moscow bypass the West's economic blockade. So how exactly did Bitcoin gain momentum again after going through huge losses for the past couple of months? Let's find out. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Crypto Meister, where we tell you all the latest news about your favorite crypto coins. In today's video, we are going to talk about the recent boom in Bitcoin's price, as demand in Russia and Ukraine increased. If you want to find out more about it, then stay with us until the end of the video. Also, before we start the video, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon for more amazing videos. And let's get started. Amid the rising volatility in the riskier asset classes, Bitcoin is moving toward the $45,000 mark again. The largest cryptocurrency in terms of market capitalization is among the second best performers among the digital tokens, rising as much as 17% in the last week. Raghuv Gupta, founder EquiDEI, said, "The onset of Russia-Ukraine friction was followed by a dip in Bitcoin prices, but the markets are slowly recovering. Bitcoin is being viewed as a safe haven amidst rising inflation and market disruptions." According to the data revealed, Bitcoin has been trading at a premium against the Ukrainian hryvnia on a number of exchanges, both globally and locally, which is definitely a sign of high demand. In addition, on Binance, the largest exchange in the world, Bitcoin was trading for the equivalent of $45,894 in hryvnia terms, and on Kuna, the largest exchange in Ukraine, it was at $46,847 and had traded as high as $51,240. There's been a surge in trading volume of Bitcoin in exchanges for rubles since just before Russia's invasion began. Between February 20th and 28th, about 1,792 Bitcoins exchanged hands in the ruble-Bitcoin trading pair, compared with only 522 times in the 9 days before that. Furthermore, according to data from CoinDesk, in U.S. markets, Bitcoin has recently traded near $44,000 Tuesday night, up more than 17% since Sunday evening. Crypto is popular in Ukraine and Russia, and Ukraine is ranked 4th on Global Adoption Index created by analytics firm Chainalysis. A Russian government report estimates that there were more than 12 million cryptocurrency wallets held by Russian citizens with about 2 trillion rubles, equivalent to about $20 billion. According to Timo Leas, the co-founder of trading platform Swarm Markets, the situation in Ukraine has brought to light the value of Bitcoin as an alternative monetary network. Therefore, a demand-driven rally specific to Bitcoin is a break from its recent pattern, which has been to trade in line with risk assets like tech stocks. Bitcoin's rally recently wiped away losses for February. Most other cryptocurrencies were higher as well, including Ether, which was up 4.7%, XRP was up 0.7%, Avalanche was up 3.3%, and Cardano was up 0.9%. As we know that Bitcoin trades 24 hours a day, so in some cases, it has been leading risk assets, not just following. So when Russian President Vladimir Putin announced his invasion of Ukraine, U.S. equities markets were closed and Bitcoin fell about 6% overnight, then rallied 13%. Later on Thursday, U.S. stocks closed slightly higher after a day of wild trading. After that, Bitcoin dropped almost 9% from the afternoon of Friday, February 18th, through the evening of Monday, February 21st, amid news of the worsening crisis in Ukraine. On top of that, U.S. stock markets closed on Monday for a holiday, and they didn't get a chance to react to the news until Tuesday. Therefore, when they started reacting to the news later, the major indexes all lost more than 1%. Attention has also fallen on cryptocurrencies for the potential to be an outlet for Russians trying to get around sanctions. While cryptocurrencies themselves haven't been a part of the sanctions, the White House has been considering adding them. On Twitter on Sunday morning, Mikhailo Fedorov, Ukraine's vice prime minister, requested cryptocurrency exchanges block Russian accounts as he stated, "It's crucial to freeze not only the addresses linked to Russian and Belarusian politicians, but also to sabotage ordinary users." However, Ukraine's Mr. Fedorov didn't make clear if the request was personal or on the behalf of the government, and an attempt to reach him wasn't successful. Western allies have also sought to punish Russia for its attack with harsh financial sanctions, excluding some Russian banks from the SWIFT international payment system and freezing Russia's central bank reserves. The sanctions have caused the ruble to plunge to record lows against the dollar and sent Russian people queuing outside banks to withdraw cash. Now let's discuss meme coins, which have also gained traction after the rise of Bitcoin. The market capitalization of Bitcoin worldwide now exceeds that of the ruble, according to the data from CoinMarketCap. That means that all of the Bitcoin traded worldwide is worth together more than all of the rubles in circulation worldwide. The Russian currency is currently ranked 17th in the market value, behind the Thai baht and the Mexican peso. So the ruble is now worth even less than Dogecoin, a cryptocurrency that was initially created as a joke, poking fun at the wild speculation surrounding cryptocurrencies. In February, Ukraine's parliament passed a law legalizing the use of cryptocurrency, and the country ranks fourth in the world in terms of cryptocurrency adoption, according to the blockchain data platform Chainalysis. As the value of ruble tumbles and the risk of hyperinflation grows, the Russian central bank moved to rise its key interest rate to 20% on Monday. As more Russians may now be tempted to convert their money into cryptocurrency, Ukrainian officials have called on crypto exchanges to block Russian users and freeze assets linked to them. Many exchanges have rebuffed the call, others have declined to comment. Cryptocurrencies are by design a way to circumvent traditional financial institutions, and their growing success has been making Western governments nervous. Russia is already the world's third largest Bitcoin miner, and Iran has used Bitcoin mining in the past to bypass trade embargoes. European Union officials admit that crypto mining and trading could be used to undermine sanctions on Russia and say they are looking into it. An EU official told reporters in Brussels recently, "We are aware there are routes for circumvention and various attempts to circumvent the sanctions. We are looking into this." Crypto experts believe that amid the global volatility and rising inflation concerns, the $45,000 mark for Bitcoin should not be seen as a surprise. In addition, reading the technical charts, Vikram Subbaraj, CEO of Gaiatus Crypto Exchange, said that Bitcoin may hit the $45,000 mark soon, as few traders see this movement as an impulse Elliott wave. Furthermore, market readers said that the emerging trends indicate a positive picture for cryptocurrency adoption, as both Russia and Ukraine have been falling for crypto markets, Gupta stated. The crisis has uncovered various inefficiencies in traditional finance, and more people are turning to crypto every day. So as capital controls and global financial disruptions increase, Bitcoin will emerge as a safe monetary network. If we talk about Bitcoin's progress during the Russia-Ukraine crisis, Bitcoin has leapt since Russia's invasion of Ukraine. Globally, the number of addresses with more than 1,000 Bitcoins has suddenly spiked, reflecting the high demand for Bitcoin. Therefore, market experts suggest that buying Bitcoin at current levels purely depends on the investor's approach, goals, and objectives. So one should wait for clear direction on charts to make a fresh position, they suggest. So what are analysts predicting about Bitcoin's future progress? According to many analysts currently, crypto investments are not for short term, and timing the market would not be a prudent approach, they caution, particularly in the volatile period. Therefore, analysts have advised investors to follow dollar cost averages, or DCA, instead of waiting deterministically for a price. They have also stated that crypto volatility is not new, and ultimately, it is the buy and hold strategy that wins. So it looks like Bitcoin, along with other cryptocurrencies, is finally getting out of its recent downfall, and if it continues to grow at the same pace, it will soon make a huge jump toward its future progress, maintaining its leading role in the crypto world. And this is it for today, guys. What are your thoughts on today's video? Share with us in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of our latest updates. And thank you for watching.